Going to Costco today. Shopping time. Well, actually, grocery shopping. Okay, so samahan nyo kami ha. Ayun si Dada o. Pogi Dada. Okay, so ito papunta na kami sa Costco. Kukuha lang kami ng cart. Ayan, nakakuha na si Dada ng cart. So, pasok na tayo sa loob ng Costco. Samahan nyo ako. Mag-grocery shopping tayo ngayon. Parating excited eh. Basta mag-grocery dito sa Costco eh. So, dito actually, pagka pumasok ka, kailangan i-present mo yung card mo, ipapakita mo dun sa nakabantay, dun sa may pintuan. Ganyan dito eh. Pagka hindi mo dala yung card mo, or yung card, I mean, not the card. Pag hindi mo dala yung card mo, hindi ka papapasukin. Oh, ganito sila kahigpit dito. Okay, so, ayan, mamili tayo. Dadun muna tayo sa ano, yeah, lotion and collagen. Sarap pagka nandito eh, kasi parang halos lahat gusto mo nang bilhin. Which one first? I'll also need to get yung eucalyptus and the collagen. Okay, so ito ang mga different flowers. Napakagaganda. Pero usually yung kinukuha ko po dito, itong eucalyptus. Ayan. Kasi nilalagay ko siya sa aking kitchen. Ayan. Eucalyptus. Ang bango nito sa kitchen. I always get this one. Plain eucalyptus lang. Ayan. Kasi yung mga ganyang flowers kasi ang bilis kasi siyang malanta, kaya hindi yan ang kinukuha ko. Bumibili ako ng orchids. So I love orchids talaga. At ito nga ang eucalyptus. Where is that? Where did we go? This way.
H-A-M-P.
Crispy coconut rolls. Siguro masarap to. Kuha tayo ng isa. I'll try natin. Okay, so let's go look for that collagen powder. Ayan, sasabihin ko sa inyo yung sikreto ko ha. Alam na ninyo yung secret ko. Okay. Vital proteins, collagen, peptides, unflavored. So, iyan parati ang kinukuha ko. Iniinom namin yan ni Dada. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng collagen, di ba? O, importante yan sa ating skin. For the skin, for the hair, for the bones. So, that's one of the best product. Yeah. Collagen peptide. Okay, let's go to the next aisle. Oatmeal, usually ito po yung kinukuha namin kasi ito po yung different flavors ng oatmeal. It has apple, maple brown sugar, cinnamon spice. Pero ang pinaka-favorite ko dito, itong maple and brown sugar. Masarap yan. Kaya, when we actually run out of Quaker Oats, at saka ito kasi mabilis to. Ito yung instant oatmeal na less than 1 minute. Kahit sa microwave, pwede yan eh. Kita nyo, yan, nagsasawa tayo sa chips dito eh. Pero alam nyo ba, ang pinaka-favorite ko dito? Ito. My favorite. This sweet and salty kettle corn. So, yan. Kuha tayo na isa. Oh, dadah. That's also one of our favorite, the mango chunks in extra light syrup. Ang sarap po niyan. Sa mga tinatamad na magbalat ng mangga, ayan, bubuksan mo na lang, lagay mo sa fridge pag malamig na. Napakasarap talaga niya. So, parati kami bumibili niyan basta nandito kami sa Costco. We need a coffee creamer. Coffee creamer. So, parati din po kami kumukuha niyan. Tsaka marami siya sa isang box. It's about 100 is it 180 single serve portions, 180. So napakadami niya. It actually lasts for at least 3 months. Okay, so dito na tayo sa dairy. Kuha tayo ng milk. Organic. Okay. Parati namin kinukuha. Organic, lactose-free, reduced fat milk. At itong organic almond milk. Okay, so now let's go to the fruit section. I remember him. We need to get some oranges. Avocado. Yeah, parati kami bumibili nito. Oops, ang avocado $5.89. Ang isang ganito. Okay, so it's about 2, 4, 6 pieces sa isang bag na ganito. Okay, so we'll get this one. Kumuha ka daw ng sabon? Okay, oranges. $6.99 ang isang bag. So we'll get one bag of oranges. Okay. Oh yeah, potato. I need some potatoes. Itong maliliit kasi gagawa ako ng yung dish for this weekend sa party sa bahay. Ayan. So this one, creamer potatoes, it's $5.89 ang isang bag. Yung isang bag na ganito, napakadami na yan. Okay. Ang isa pang gusto namin dito, ay teka muna, kailangan ko palang kumuha ng salad para sa aming party sa weekend. So, let's see, maybe this one, Mediterranean Crunch. Or probably I'll get the salad tomorrow para hindi naman siya masyadong para medyo fresh pa rin siya pagdating na Saturday. So ito rin ang isa sa mga gusto ko dito. Ayan o, meron na silang mga ready na mga ilalagay mo na lang sa oven. Ayan. Actually, isang ganito, katulad nito, macaroni, it's $11.99. So, ito, Mediterranean pasta salad, $13. Different prices siguro depende sa bigat. Kasi ito $12.66. Ito $13, $13.56. And this one is $13.37. So depende sa bigat. Bigay mga sandwiches. Ayan. Ito, gusto ko rito yung salmon with basil and pesto butter. This one is $29. And this one is $28. So, depende sa laki ng salmon. Ito naman, ang mga meat nila. Ang hinahanap namin, pork belly. Well, I hope they have a pork belly. I don't see any pork belly. So, since we cannot find any pork belly, siguro out of stock sila. Yun lang pork chop ang kukunin namin. Yan na lang iba-barbecue namin. Di ba masarap yung barbecue yan daw? May marinade na lang natin, ano? Okay, so we'll just get a pork chop. Okay, so which one? Let's get this one daw. Okay. We'll get some shrimp para iihaw namin sa Saturday. Which one? Which one daw? So, ito yung shrimp, $30 siya. So, depende pa rin sa sa bigat niya, sa dami. Katulad ito. Oh, this doesn't have a price. This one's $26, but it doesn't look like it's fresh. So, I don't know if I'm gonna get this one. Yes, we found the belly. Akala namin, out of stock ang belly nila. So, we decided to get the pork chop na lang. Pero, ito yung belly. Okay, so ito yung iba barbecue namin. Alright. So, pili na lang kami kung ano rito. Okay, pipili muna kami. Meron silang itong mga tempura dito. Ayan. Ang mura lang, $5.99. So, ito siguro good for me, Dada, and Kevin, of course. Ayan, oh. Tapos with tortilla, tempura shrimp taco kit. Oh, di ba? Oh no, I thought it's $5.99. It's not $5.99. Actually, it's $16. Ito, oh, $16. $16.65. Okay, we're probably just gonna get this for dinner. Kasi, ayan na naman, wala na namang time na magluto. Talagang very tight ang schedule eh. So, yeah, we'll get this tempura shrimp taco kit. Different prices pala. Meron $16.23, may $16.95. So now let's get one for dinner.
Okay, which one?
Yeah. So we're done with our grocery shopping. At meron pa kami isang pupuntahan. We need to go to Seafood City kasi yung shrimp nila rito parang hindi ko gusto, parang hindi fresh. And we need to get a shrimp for weekends party kasi nga barbecue party this coming weekend with friends sa bahay. Okay, so punta na kami sa cashier para magbayad. So, nandito na kami. Pila kami sa cashier. Okay, so nandito na kami sa cashier. Ito yung aming dinner ngayon. Tempura, taco. We got some lemon, watermelon. We got some potatoes.
Have a good day, sir. Oh, sorry about that.
Avocado.
Is this gel on the front end?
Waiting.
Oranges. Mango chunks.
Basket size first. This one here?
My collagen.
Number service.
Coffee mate. Almond milk. Organic lactose-free milk. Greek yogurt.
You guys want running on it?
No, I don't. Yeah, of course.
Coconut rolls.
Basket, I mean, this too as well?
Oh, these are ours.
99.
Quaker oats. My favorite. Popcorn. The pork belly. My eucalyptus.
Hi, membership?
Oh, I gave it to you.
Do you have your membership right there?
I think she got it.
I
I
give
gave
you
it
the
to
right
you.
We're over down here, no waiting.
Is it a white card? Or black? That one here?
I gave it to you.
It's a credit card. It's oh.
It's
Is it the
yep,
one?
that
Yeah,
one.
Flowers
Thank
are
you.
ours? From here?
Yes. Thank you.
Have a good night.
Have a good night.
Go back or what?
Excuse me?
Is there residents on go back?
But I think we don't have anybody out there. That's why. Are you out of here? Someone dropped the card.
Did you bring up the lights, right?
Excuse me, someone dropped the card.
Oh. Alyssa, what's your taste.
Okay, 189.74.
What? No, the manager. Can I get you a picture?
So, we're done. And, ito palabas na kami ng Costco. It's about 7:56, almost 8 p.m. Kahit ganito, gabi na, marami pa rin tao rito. Siyempre, kasi especially now that it's really hot, alam ba ninyo triple digits kanina? Kaya inintay namin na medyo gumabi bago kami mag-grocery shopping kasi talagang napakainit talaga kanina. Okay, so, dito, paglabas, meron talagang nag-check dito. Kasi syempre, that's good. You know, just make sure na talagang lahat yung mga items na inilalabas ay talagang bayad. So, ayan, palabas na kami. Ito yung mga pinamili namin na Dada. Ayan. Yung mga binili namin. Syempre, sinicheck nila ang mga resibo. Make sure that all the items that's actually in the cart are okay. So, which is good. You know, I like the system. Yung ganyan. Kasi syempre, hindi mo masasabi, ano, baka mamaya meron na naglalabas sa mga items sila, yung pala libre, hindi nagbayad. Alam niyo ba, tinitignan ni Dada itong kotse na to. Ang ganda. Dada, how much? That's Volvo. It's a Volvo. Electric. Nice. So, ano tayo sa car? Ganda nung car. Volvo. Kasi Dada, tinitignan ni Dada. Pati color, I love the colors. Most of the time dito kasi sa Costco, meron mga naka-display ng mga new car, new model. So, I think this one is a 2025 Volvo and it's all electric. Ang ganda. Binalikan pa ulit ni Dada. Ba? Mukhang mukhang bibili niya ata ni Dada for me bibilin mo ba para sa akin? Tignan, narinig niyo yan ha? You guys are the witness. Bibili ni Dada para sa akin yung Volvo na yan. Talaga napakaganda. And it's all electric. Okay, so papunta na kami sa kotse. Ang ganda ng car. Alam niyo, sabi ni Dada, kung gusto ko raw, napakaganda and it's all electric. So, tapos na kami mag-grocery shopping. I think we're heading back kasi dapat pupunta pa kami ng Seafood City. Pero, we actually got yung tempura. Sabi ni Dada baka masira. Okay, so, maybe tomorrow, punta kami ng Seafood City bukas kasi we still need to buy something else. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a good one. Bye.